Hello everyone, friends. This is Valor here. Today I'll show you how to find permanently deleted messages in Gmail. First, try going in and simply checking your trash folder. Your deleted messages might be in the trash, but that's pretty basic stuff. If that doesn't help, then search for messages disappearing from Gmail. Go in and look for Gmail messages are missing. Go in there, scroll all the way to the bottom and click to restore your messages. So we go through this process here. They'll help you recover within 30 days. They'll restore your messages if they exist. And here you'll see the results. If you have any messages that disappeared or were deleted somehow, they'll show up here, or the recovery process will begin, which can take up to 30 days. That's all for now. This was Valar. See you all later.